Hi, here is an excellent remedy for dry cough in babies. So what can you do is, in a pan, take half cup of mustard oil and add 2 cloves of garlic and little bit of carom seeds and heat it till it becomes brown and let it down to cool to a warm tendency. So once it is warm, then take it in your hand and gently apply it on the chest and the back of the baby in gentle motions. Don't make it too hot or it will scare the baby. What happens is the mustard oil has antibacterial properties and also warming properties, and the carom seeds and the garlic helps in preventing the congestion in the lungs. So this will help relieve the dry cough and also relieve the congestion in the lungs. Hope this was useful.